Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use TransferNow to send large files. Right now, for that you have to come on this website called transfernow.net. After that you have to click on this start option where you can upload your file. It will redirect it to your file manager. Click on that. Now select the all files you want and click open. As you can see, all the file has been selected in the website as well. Now you will get two options: either you can create a link or you can just send on like you can just send file on email. So first you have to add your email, then sender name, it's and then recipient email, and then subject. You can either if you want to add, you can add. If you don't want to add, you cannot. So these are right now I want to create a link. Just simply enter your email address. Now after clicking on your email address, here you can create a custom link. For example, click here. I will just simply enter click here and get a link. Click on the get a link. Now it already exists. This option already exists. Right now I will simply add whatever I want, and here you can see the file is uploading. It will take little time on because my internet speed is slow. The uploading process is depend on your internet speed, so take the time. Here as you can see the video has been uploaded, and just click on the create just copy this link and share with you can share with anyone. So this is how you can upload files on TransferNow.